case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case Bush v. SECO Electric Company, centered around the idea that contractors must ensure their work is safe and free of defects that could harm those reasonably foreseen to be affected by it. Jerri Bush lost her arm while working at a recycling plant owned by Rumpke Recycling. SECO Electric Company had been contracted to install wiring on a conveyor belt at the plant, but failed to fit a yellow guard on the conveyor belt's mouth as required by safety protocol. Bush, who was assigned to clean up cans missed by the conveyor belt, lost her arm due to the guard's absence. She subsequently sued SECO Electric Company and Wymer Construction Company, alleging negligence and product liability. The Indiana Supreme Court redefined the acceptance rule, expanding the humanitarian exception and stating that the owner takes full responsibility for any construction work from an independent contractor. The court held that contractors had a duty of care to ensure their work was not defective or dangerous, and to foresee potential harm. Following this ruling, the humanitarian exception to the acceptance rule was expanded, and the lack of a safety device on a dark construction site presented a jury question on imminent danger. SECO Electric Company faced a trial, and the case was returned to the lower court for review in light of Blake.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.